Okay, now, let's talk about something that has been robbing people over 40 and 50 of their sanity, their peace, and their ability to function like normal human beings, and that's sleep. Because let's be honest, sleep after 40 or 50 is not the same as sleep you absolutely enjoyed in your 20s. Back then, you could lie down, blink once, and wake up 8 hours later refreshed like you just came from a spa retreat. Now, in your 40s, 50s, 60s, sleep is like playing hide and seek with your shadow. You close your eyes, your brain suddenly wants to discuss every mistake that you've ever made since 1992. Am I talking to you? Your body decides it's the perfect time to replay your entire to do list. And before you know it, you're lying there at 3 a.m. thinking, is this my life now? Is this how it's going to be? Well, I can attest to that until I learned how to change all of that. And the worst part, people will tell you, "Oh, that's just aging. That's normal." No, it's not. What's normal is your body shifting, yes. But what isn't normal is pretending you can't support it. Insomnia after 40, 50, or even 60 is one of the biggest signs that your hormones, your nervous system, your digestion, and even your inflammation levels are begging you to pay attention. Your body isn't broken. It's trying to communicate with you, but you're not listening. Stay with me until the end of this video because today we're going to talk about how to get your body back into a natural rhythm so that you can drift off to sleep without depending on sleeping pills that will leave you, groggy, foggy, and sometimes feeling worse than you felt the next day. I'm going to break this down in a way that finally makes sense. And once you hear it, you're going to say, okay, now that explains why my sleep pattern is all over the place. Okay, so now let's start with the truth that most people never hear. Insomnia is not the problem. It's only the symptom. Insomnia is like a flashing warning light on your dashboard. Your body is trying to annoy you. It's trying to get your attention. And the message that it's sending is usually one of three things. Your hormones are shifting. Your stress response is overloaded. Your internal clock is out of balance. And when any of these three go off track, sleep becomes a whole adventure, and not the good kind of adventure either. Let me break it down in real simple terms so that you can understand it. When you were younger, your hormones were predictable. They behaved like how they're supposed to. They clocked in and clocked out on time. But after 40, 50, and 60, your hormones are freelancing. They're just doing whatever they want to do. Melatonin drops, cortisol spikes at the wrong time, estrogen fluctuates, progesterone dips. Your nervous system becomes more sensitive to all of that. And suddenly your brain is wide awake when you desperately want it to shut down. Am I talking to you? Now, let's talk about how to fix it the natural way. The way that your body will respond. One of the most powerful ways to reset sleep after 40 is supporting your nervous system. Because insomnia isn't always a mind problem. It's a nervous system problem. Did you know that? I hope so. If you did, let me know in the comment section. If your nervous system can't turn off, neither can you. Think of your nervous system like a dimmer switch. When you're young, it slides down easily. After 40, that switch gets stuck midway, and you need the right support to gently guide your body into that calm space once again. This is where natural remedies shine, and I mean really shine. Let's start with one of my favorite natural remedies, and that's soursop leaf. Let me tell you something. Soursop leaf is that quiet, gentle, calming friend who doesn't say much but brings peace wherever they show up. It relaxes your nervous system, it softens the anxiety, it reduces tension, and it helps your mind and body finally shut down. Then there is chamomile. one of the oldest natural sleep supporters in the world. I'm sure you've heard about it. Chamomile doesn't knock you out. It lets your body exhale and relax. It untangles the stress that you've been carrying all day. Lemon balm is another one people overlook. This herb gives your nervous system a warm and gentle hug. It slows down racing thoughts. It releases tightness in your chest and brings your mind into that okay, I can rest now mode. And then there is magnesium glycinate, the mineral that your body loves but is almost always deficient after you reach the age of 40 and beyond. This is the mineral that relaxes your muscles, it calms your heart rate, and it settles your mind and signals your brain that it's safe to sleep and it's time to sleep. If you ever felt tired but still wired up, that's usually a magnesium issue. Now listen, relying on sleep is not the best solution. Because here's the thing about prescription sleep medication. And I say this with love. They don't fix insomnia. They temporarily shut your brain off. And sometimes they leave you feeling groggy, foggy, emotional, or dependent on them. You don't need to sedate your body. Your body wants to return to balance naturally, as long as you support it. And that deep understanding of how your body shifts after 40 is how you sleep changes, how hormones affect your nights, how digestion impacts your rest, and how nature steps in to bring your body and your system back into alignment. All of that and so much more is exactly why I wrote my new 146-page ebook called The Healing Blueprint After 40 Using Natural Remedies. I wish someone had handed this book to me the day I turned 40, because for years doctors gave me pieces of information, but never the full picture. This book breaks down everything in simple, everyday language that you can understand. It helps you to understand your body chapter by chapter, symptom by symptom, and remedy by remedy. I go through all of it. You will get 34 chapters covering sleep, hormones, energy, circulation, digestion, inflammation, diabetes, weight loss, stress, anxiety, everything that your body could possibly go through after you reach the age of 40. And inside the book, you get 2 free bonus guides to help you get started immediately. It's the resource I needed, and the resource so many people have been searching for and asking for. The link for that book, that bundle, is in the description. Check it out once you finish watching this video. You're going to love it, trust me. Now let's get back into the natural sleep talk. Because if you're still here, then you know insomnia has not been a bad week. This has become a pattern, not just a bad week, a day-by-day thing. Another thing that people forget is that digestion and sleep are best friends. If your digestion is slow, bloated, irritated, or inflamed, your sleep is going to suffer. Your gut communicates with your brain all night long, if you didn't know that. This is why drinking warm ginger tea before bedtime is one of the most underrated habits for better sleep. It soothes the stomach, it calms inflammation, and it supports your liver and signals your whole body to relax. And here's another truth. Your bedtime routine matters more after 40 than it ever did when you were much younger. Your body needs more preparation to fall asleep. That's what that is. Just like how you wouldn't walk into a gym and start lifting 200 pounds without warming up first, your mind cannot just switch off as soon as you lay down. You need a simple, soothing routine that tells your body, okay, now, it's time to settle, it's time to release, and it's time to drift. Something as small as dimming the lights, saying a prayer, stretching gently, deep breathing, turning off your phone, or drinking a calming herbal tea can make your nervous system feel safe enough to sleep again. Let me also say this. If you wake up between 2 and 4 a.m., this is not random, nor is it normal. This is your liver working overtime. And when your liver is overwhelmed, your sleep becomes fragmented. Support your liver and your sleep, and everything will improve. Everything I'm sharing with you now, the herbs, the hormones, and the shifts that your body goes through after 40, the natural calmers, the digestion piece, the nervous system, all of it is explained step by step inside the Healing Blueprint After 40 Using Natural Remedies. That's the new ebook. 146 pages. I worked hard putting that together. And if you want a deeper understanding, if you want natural solutions, if you want your body to feel supported instead of confused, download the ebook using the first link in the description. I'm telling you, you'll be glad that you did. Your body is not fighting you. It's asking for help. And that is what my book does. And nature has the tools to support you. So make sure that you get that book so you can know exactly what to do. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button and turn on the notification bell, because the next video is going to be powerful. We're going to talk about something nobody explains properly, and that is why your energy collapses after 3 p.m. and what natural remedies can fix it fast. You don't want to miss that video. Sleep well tonight, and if you don't, watch this video again tomorrow and flip the pages of my ebook that you purchase. I'm sure you're going to purchase it, because these will demonstrate that your healing isn't behind you. It starts immediately upon using the solutions that I offer in that book. See you soon, and thank you so much. All the best and good health. That's what I wish for you for now and for 2026. Thanks a lot.